Hello students, today we will begin a new lesson number 7, Internet Services. So we are going to learn in this chapter, that is Introduction to Internet. In this point you will learn what is Internet, ways to connect to the Internet, means what are the ways we can connect our system with the Internet, popular services on the Internet, what are the services we are getting on the Internet. So that explanation is given in this point. Email. So in this point we are going to learn what is email, then what is the how to create the account, how to send the mail, and how to receive the mails. So that we will discuss in this point. Uses of email. What are the uses of email? So that we will see in this point. And next, last point is netiquettes. What are the manners we have to carry while using the internet? So that is netiquette. So we are going to learn in this point. So first of all, introduction to internet. So introduction is given. Internet is one of the best technologies gifted to mankind. So internet is one of the best technology gifted to mankind, because so nowadays you can see without internet we can't imagine our life. Means we are depending on the internet in such a way that so each and every work we are doing it by using the internet. It has brought the entire world closer. So entire world has come closer with this internet. How? Because see, now you can make a video calls if your friends or relatives are there in some other countries. You can make a video calls, you can be in a touch with those relatives or friends. So we have come closer with this internet. Internet stands for international network. Internet stands for international network. Means what happens? All over the world, all the systems are connected with each other. Okay. It is the largest computer network in the world, connecting millions of computers. So this internet is the largest computer network in the world. So total how many systems are there with the internet? So that all the systems are connected with internet, millions of computers. Okay, here they are given millions of computers. We cannot say exact number how many numbers, but generally they have given millions of computers are connected with each other. So that's why, so that computers can share the information with each other. A network is a group of two or more computer systems linked together to form a global network. Network means what? Network means group of two or more computer systems. So that computer systems are linked together, means connected with each other to form a global network. So to make a network, to make a global network, so that two or more systems, two or more computers are connected with each other. So it may be a connect. Okay, so there are different modes of connection, so that systems are connected. These computers are connected through telephone wires, modems, satellite links, or other means, enabling them to share information among each other. So how these systems are connected? These systems are connected with the telephone lines or modems. Modem means modulator and demodulator. So that is a device. So that device is used to connect the systems to access the internet. So this device will be used. Satellite links. So with the satellites, these computers are connected, or other means enabling them to share information among each other. So other means, so with that we can share the information with each other. The invention of internet has transformed our living. The invention of internet, so completely it transformed our lifestyle. Okay, so nowadays you need not to step out from your house. Each and every work can be done by sitting at your own place. If you want to do the shopping, so you can do the shopping also by using the internet. It has revolutionized the whole world and made computers the most effective communication tool. So this is one type of technological revolution. So here what happened? We are using the systems as an effective tool to communicate with others, or to have the communication. We are using this tool. Okay, so it is very effective tool. This internet is very effective tool we are using. Communication has given rapid growth to business worldwide. So this communication has given a rapid growth. The growth in a business rapidly increased, okay, with this internet. So that's why. So every business is having their own websites, and on their website they are giving the information about their products. Okay, customers can see the information on the website, they can see the review, other customers comments they can see, and they can decide. Customer need not to rush to purchase that device. Okay, they can think. Customer is having several options, and he can decide. Internet is a constantly evolving tool that not only contains huge variety of information but also provides new ways of interacting and connecting with people. So now, so internet is constantly evolving tool. Here internet is having huge variety, okay, huge amount of information, variety of information is available, okay, plenty of information. So you just go and type any keyword. According to that keyword you will get a list of websites, and by browsing that websites you will get the information. Now, this internet is not only used for searching the information, but also this internet is used to interact with the people or to connect with the people. Okay, so we are using Facebook, WhatsApp, or any other, plenty of applications are there, plenty of websites are there. So by using that, we can interact with the people and we can connect with the people. So this is the introduction of internet. And here we see here they given one simple picture, and so with this picture they are trying to explain. Okay, so these are the systems. So internet is accessed, okay, internet is accessed in a mobile, in a laptop, or in a desktop, and this is the modem. Okay, with this modem, so these systems are connected, and this modem is connected with the, so this one. Okay, so this line has gone is, so that a different mode of communication like satellite links or modems, or so the, it is connected to the ISPs, means service providers. Okay. So now, so this is one sample picture. So they have tried to give the explanation for this internet, how internet works. Okay. So now next point comes the ways to connect to the internet. So what are the ways we can connect our system with the internet? So that point we will see in my next video. So I will discuss this point. Okay. If you have any doubts, any questions, you can ask during online classes. Thank you for watching.